did to me, he's still doing it to one woman. She just locked her on the door, on the room, that they should, he gave me the address that they should go to social place and report the matter to the family. Then the mother of that woman, Mama Shabetu, went to my mother-in-law's house, the family, and report this matter to them. And this man is an Ejuju man, very wicked. He has a tortoise car that time. That's the father of the mother of my wife. Yes. So they got inside the car and called one man. Let's go there. I don't want to mention the man's name. When they got there, they were not able to enter the room, the door. Then they were not shouting, Mama, Sister Helen, my daughter, we know where you are here. We know you are here. Call Baba Irema now. Call Baba. Then when they know, they now went back. They go to the police station. Early in the morning, when Bobizo wanted to dodge out from the room, police I come. They get him arrested. A party yasunwa. Don't wear no nickpay the music. They got him arrested and brought him to the station. That time, there was a police station. You know this mortuary now. This mortuary in Ring Road, where they always keep this place. This mortuary in Ring Road, where they always keep somebody. That is where police station were is before. So sorry for my English. If it is good or not, sorry for the English. I just want to use this pidgin English so that many of you will know. So they went there, they arrested him there. Then the mother, that is Mrs. Adun, called her because they didn't arrest the daughter. Called her and said, please, the only way we can solve this problem, please, I want you to go to police station and tell them that, yes, you want to marry my daughter. We want to take you so that this problem will be solved. You know, rapist is 5 to 6 years or 5 to 10 years. So they wanted to use that rapist to, you know, because of why we virgin Sergeant Beko, my win audio on a Yahoo again. So they have my first son. So let me just speak in English. So when they went to the police station, so the woman answered to the DPO and said, please, the family said they are going to marry her. That even now that he even loved the man, then they bring him out from the Yeke camp, from the cell. Then they ask him that, are you going to marry this, like your mother said, are you going to marry this woman? He said, yes, that is the first man that know her, that she want to marry her. That is the reason she locked her on the door inside the house. So what happened, my brothers and sisters? Then leave her. Then the family of the woman now said, Majan Weken, we gave this woman to you from today. From today, men are laugh. Men are laugh. We gave this woman to you from today. Come and pack your load, every part of your things. Then they pack it to her and gave it to her. Said, now, before they know, the information gets to them that their daughter is pregnant. Their daughter is pregnant. Hey. Then the family of the woman brought a fight to Obe. That you are too disliked. My daughter cannot marry you. You don't have work. You don't have anything. Look at you, just want to destroy this girl. We send this girl to school. But look at it now, you give her belly. From today, this woman is not coming to their family anymore. You know what happened those times. So really, my brothers and sisters, then the woman was living there. Then when she had the first baby was boy. Then Bob Izua was still going from one place. Now he go to Godia Dosa. You know Godia Dosa? He was a boy to Godia Dosa. I don't want to finish. He was a boy to Godia Dosa. a boy to this man, Okpena Wune, I say, time I went to record now. That tough man that time, everybody know. Go slow. Go slow, no. Go slow, say no. There is a tough man. We know that time. Ew. That man is a very tough man. Bobby and Godia Dosa and that man, they were the iron and the tagger. So Bobby Izua was working with them. Blah 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 blah. Then before the family of the man, the woman know, he give her another belly. Ademaweka. You see her? Oh, where we be? Oh, my say 1 year, 2 years. Oh, we're coming. Oh, we're coming. Go free. Oh, my. Oh, my, we had to marry. You be able to plan away. The man said no. The father of my. Yeah, just talk everything finish. So the father of my the sweet wife of mine said, now this sweet mother of my wife said, no way, I'm not going to allow you. You don't have anything. You don't have anything. How will you come and marry my daughter? How will you come and marry my daughter? We want to see you good. Then the father now forgive her daughter and be given because the father was an herbalist. He will kill goats. He will kill all those meat, pepper, and all those things. He will go and give it to Bobby Izua to be eating, to be using it to feed his daughter. So, not knowing that Bobby Izua is a flirter. Always, gume. Today, go carry this one come. You 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 go tell and say, okay, go to my mama, go sleep with my mama. And there I go talk and reach. Papa, Bobby, Chief Osamede Adun, if I hear one word from your daughter in Paris.
From your useless daughter.
From your useless daughter in Paris, if you mention my name, I'm coming for you.
Dirty daughter.
Sir, I'm coming for you. Because the respect I have for you,
6 months,
I don't want that your useless daughter.
Your daughter.
Because I will not face any of my fans again. My fans or my presenters. I will not face them.
That's your colleagues.
I will not face them again. I will come directly to you. I not find you trouble now. Now you use that your mouth to insult your children, not be my children. Chebetu for inside, not be all children. All children, some of them they are very responsible. But Chebetu for inside, now you use my take course. I did there. I not did there. So as you use my take course, even when she come Nigeria, she give you a disgrace upon disgrace. I lie for this matter. Epa, Chief Osamede Adun. Because I know one make I can't they talk all these things. The kind English where they use now, Papa, I take and respect you. But if I want to count saga, killing saga, I not going to respect you, sir, again. So tell that your dirty pig daughter of yours, that who fuck electric, fuck dog, fuck every fuckable. Tell her to stop and to stop mentioning my name. If your father love you, your life will not be like that. How many? Listen to me, please. I'm talking. You do your own. I didn't talk. I talk little by little. When your father love you, your dirty life will not be like that. Lot of men will come out in France now. They have used your capability, your tutorials to learn. Just the same thing like your mother that died the age of 40-something years, a drunkard. Don't you see my mother-in-law? Your father advised me, Bobby Izua, Chief Osamede, said I should not send 1 cent. That anything to do with my wife, mother is out. If I try it, that is going to hate me. This is most of the reason why your father But Izua said, I'm not good. Because I will not want the mother of my wife to die the same thing like your mother. I am the one, and my wife, anything my mother of my wife is using today, I am care for her. If she need 20,000 today, 50,000, I will give him 100,000. Why? Because my wife, she's a celebrity, not like you.
We are okay. First lady.
We are okay. First lady.
First lady.
We are okay.
Social media.
We are okay.
We are doing live with you. You are welcome to live broadcast.
So the dirtiness, wait, the dirtiness of your Israelico, I'm here to prove it out. If you don't take time, you understand? Tell your diseased daughter not to mention my name anymore. If she tries again, Chief Osamede Adun, I'm coming for you. I will not face her. Please advise her now. I'm not afraid of nobody. Please, don't push me. If you push me, that useless girl, I will tell what your father is equal to. You understand? So that is what I'm trying to tell you. The whole world, please, even when certain things happen, Papa Uwala, the great man, a man of timber caliber, called me here and said, a PAE social media president, I know you now, you are a man of timber caliber, I will return that course. But your so-called Chief Osamede Adun I don't want to mention. He think that I forgive him. Don't mention my name anymore. If you mention my name, I will use this paragraph 2020 to face your Chief Osamede Adun. Because when I did my marriage, he was the one that advised me not to go close to my mother-in-law. Knowing wordfully that woman have sacrificed herself. You rape her, you do all sorts of things. You do all things to her. So you want her to die like Mama Shebetu when you know that I'm a cheerful giver.
He said my mother went to Isango to go and steal. But my mother first son is almost 40 something years. Isango Magbe. If Isango Magbe me. Magbe ni mesini. Iju kwe. No wa go at the age of 40 something years.
That means Ijoyara.
Ijera. Eroya ga. We ma be ni move we ba gaba.
Ijoyara.
Oh my God. We ready to we no.
Eni aha yen wo wa ngo we ge ko ye.
Ije ye na la lo ne. Be gba mi amia. Yan wa we anyon de bawe. Now we carry everything for Kebo. €5 like a card. I owe every Paris. Shame on you. €5 like a card. Shame on you.
Chief Osamede Adun.
Oh, what of me? You know, I'm with my husband that bring me all the way from Nigeria to Germany. I'm still here.
Listen, Shabetu. Shabetu. Bring all your children. If it is for one man, the one you have in Nigeria, the one the 4 or the 3 you have. The 3 you have in abroad, and the so-called you have in Nigeria. Bring that. You didn't have him for one man, but check your sister. Check my wife.
Your sister.
Check your. No, it's not your.
I am not your sister. I reject you.
Check my wife.
I reject you.
How many children? 5 children.
One
man.
5
children with one man. Living in this. How many years have we been together? How many years have we been together?
Getting to 18 years.
Hey, once is 20 years, eh?
Getting to 18 years in marriage.
Once is 20 years. Why in Nigeria? More time. I'm going to use 20,000 euro for you. Once is 20 years. Let me tell you one thing. Let me tell you, I don't value. Listen to me, please. I don't value money. I don't respect money. Why? Because we all are dying and we are living this money. Property is nothing, but love is the best life I have. That is love. Nothing can separate it.
Women are pamue, but they pamue munokria. If not,
utalobu warogwe okpa metayo o imena we wa mu na guy isalobo o salobo amesa let me say something, please. I'm begging you. Ogie maami. So shebetu oda shebegwen no okuna wamfua okuna kara ejoma. You see, your mother was a drunkard before she died. Even look at your brother. Your brother is well responsible, but sometimes you give lot of bad news to your brother. Bad name. Uji. Sometimes you said Uji is like your father. Uji is a bolo, and your father is a bolo, and the two of them they be quality. You always say that to me. That Uji knew when you were sleeping from one man to other. That Uji wanted to sleep with you. You told me that. And Uji when you love your kwe. Wait, because I don't know about one day. When I bed the joy, I was not there. There's a bio.
Oh, okay. Why not this go?
There's a bio no the other man. Where's a bio? Oh, Uji not over here. Away.
Money no say. Walk up, oya gwalo togo money because omonere no be me bastard no be any. E jomado wa yan be yo hani because oyo hani ye kere ke jomado o ton gwaligo. Le to gwaligo. Gbo awa ta wo re model.
E ma jomado no ga me ni.
No wa me gbe.
No bi abero ba me ya pe ni. Ya just we. Oni no. Ya mo ogude. Oni le we.
Oni e jomado.
Okay, oni e jomado wa cho ni.
Parti o piani o.
O wa biawe ro ba wa bi ya fe. Mi a ga gbera we.
Oni e jonjoka.
Jonjoka, okay. Oni we ya.
Oni wa you. I said Balibat.
Alibat we.
E fun e baro no
mo jamara.
No be cultural. E fun baro ga we na.
Ije.
Festus. E ya we.
Kai.
Mona. We na gi.
Ai.
Because we had to I wa ge we ba we. E wa Mose. Ba mi e wo to ete.
I mean, or you ni
but when you water, my way, look at me natural, okay, artificial.
Artificial. Epa, we may be.
Look at my body, artificial. No other way, yeah, ordinary.
Epa, echi for some
natural body.
Again, what disgrace you were. What disgrace you live video. Wow, me, a respect. Epa. Because me, I went to go on I got as a be. That's a saga for saga.
What's
we had a good one. I swear to God. If we had a good one, we're not saying how to go one. For a Tony Kabaka on a Mumiari Palace. Oh, the yes, Uma would a great Tony Guan. Una magwe Tony Guan, now we accepted Tony Guan to Nagban. Tony no can now we live video. That work below Mawa, that work below Pa. When I accepted Tony, my tea work one will are or room where I do we won't know you know where you're why I'm going.
But also do I.
Who we were, una you know any, una my book be Shabetu, when it can Shabetu my bonny be. But
a piano no a piano. Uma money e mo epok be vivien ari bien ki en property ki no e mo epok be bien gbiane e bugwe inweno ame alele ye pepepe o si ekwa e bugwo si ekwa le ki me bu e bugwe ni no kian we me
azuzu
except we ka le weru we ka mo epok bugwe e boni ka bugwe ne o we ke do gbi me. I'm not afraid of you. Igwa tama we not be na. I'm not afraid. Umana go when all who are o when only te o when they got out when they let it umana go egwa is egbe me Facebook na e mana magana e dirtiness ma ikata ma wene maga ilatia my koko e dirtiness ma bi bai when what you gugwan ni ya o
Chief Osamede Adun o we gbe ni me yo ona gben yo na egbegbe ni me yo what is saga to saga e mana go egwa bomb bastard Beni ado ya gu egwan I don't care o I don't care o e make de ba ge make gume ge anybody gume I don't care when it I don't care pa tie tie oh we dey gbe use ni me pe e pe ma la jenu abobasta
mo dion ni e
we ta de awo awo
mo to gbe oh to gbe Mariana o to gbe Mariana wa de
we ma je my kema we no wan do che you are the senior girl among the Izua daughters and we be senior in market do we are working for somebody don't out here I don't lie against anybody but we are the market na do we wan so we market na do we wan so we wo here ya 2 weeks
2 weeks no
e 2 weeks e da we Izua gunyamwere Izua gunyamwere ye miwe we are with 2 weeks what they
2 weeks baby o no
2 weeks baby you know wa be
o ma be so like let's say 6 months or
but we tie anyway 2 weeks or do my cake abo e meta ma we that
useless girl when I for agbe when I mu loto no gbe 6 months vi gbo e love gbe bon fe se ma disgrace agbon ki se fi gbe o gbe ki disgrace gera ara mu wa le choli mu pa 6 good months o gbo o ti a unu je gbo era me na ya ba era no ma ti yen biewe era no me public disgrace gie nu mo pe ala ogwa no to agbo sharapata gbe do ala jan to akun ga gbegbo wa mo nu bia na era
make una hear your wife
just take a look at your so-called Ghana man who you are biena get on I condemn you I was ashamed of myself na me atemi ni nda ekwe ga mu menu come shame your shame that for what king una dey odo wa pe arun gbe obo agbekun we
ekwe no
disgrace fear
na mori agboto
mo no huwa
disgrace upon disgrace
no useless where take bu one more abi agbon ko ni ene gba re la to o we do kegbe we la jare ra 30 goat
please listen to this audio this is Iyabiomo wa down here Jane
yes okay
you see aware no sir oh no you we make awo gwale no we make you see wa down yo
I telling you brother,